In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email templates in Copper CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, which settings to choose, and how to build a template that saves you time while staying personalized. First, open your web browser and search for Copper CRM. From the results, click the official Copper site so you're in the right place. Once you're there, sign in to your account with your usual credentials. If you access Copper regularly, consider bookmarking the login page so you can get back here quickly next time. After you're signed in, head to Settings. You'll typically find this in the sidebar or under your profile menu. Inside Settings, go to Personal Preferences, then open Email Settings. This is the control center for how email behaves inside Copper and where templates live. In the Preferences tab, find the Email Preference drop-down and choose Send and Reply from Copper. This option ensures that your emails and templates are composed and sent directly within Copper, which keeps everything centralized and makes tracking much easier. It also ensures that when you apply a template, all the formatting and dynamic fields work as expected. Next, select your template type. You can create My Templates if you want a personal library that only you can use. Or, if you're an admin and want to make templates available to your whole team, choose Shared Templates. Use shared templates for standardized outreach like introductions, follow-ups, or handoffs. Keep personal templates for messages you tweak often or that reflect your individual voice. Click Create Template to start building. Give your template a clear descriptive name so you can find it later. Add a concise subject line that sets the right expectation for the recipient. In the email body, write your message as you normally would, but keep it flexible. For personalization, press the pound key, the number sign, the hashtag symbol, hashtag, inside the composer to insert dynamic fields. You can pull in details like the recipient's first name, their company, or even the owner's booking link. These fields update automatically when you use the template, so you don't have to copy and paste names or links. Just make sure your sentence structure flows naturally around each placeholder and avoid hard-coding any personal details. When you're happy with the content, click Save. Your template is now stored for future use and will be available based on the type you selected. That's it. Your streamlined, personalized email workflow is ready to go inside Copper.